everyone, my name is Sabrina.
And my name is Niko.
And welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are watching this video, you need to stop what you're doing and go watch the video that came before it, or a lot of this video won't make sense. We are in the process of installing our second Airbnb property in Indianapolis, and we are just walking all of our incredible thousands and millions of fans through our process and what that looks like. It's been an exciting journey. In our previous video, you'll learn about some of the challenges that we faced, some of the things that we ran into even in our existing property in Indianapolis, and we're excited to continue this journey along. And so in our last video, we ended with a few problems on our hand, but also a lot of progress at the home.
All right, look at this wallpaper. You thought that was brick, didn't you? How cool is this? And we got the little black. We haven't put the nightstands there yet, but and this is the Pacers room.
The low-key Pacers room.
The low-key Pacers room. Ooh.
My favorite.
This one is cool.
The rooms are coming along nicely. We have wallpaper installed. We have a lot of the amenities installed, furniture built out. It looks fantastic.
Just put that basketball hoop up with the help of Jesus. It was a mission because we had another hoop that we were gonna get, and well, another backboard, and turns out we were just having some problems with where the bolts lined up with the hoop and so on and so forth. So we ended up door dashing that backboard. And
show us.
I went to a sports store this morning, got the hoop, the actual rim, and
You painted her up?
we painted. We literally spray painted it with black spray paint, and now it looks brand new, right?
Give her a run.
All right,
Don't hit the car.
here we go. Oh, that's okay. Hey.
It's a good thing you're a football player. Hey! Oh!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
How cold is it outside?
It's freezing.
What's the temperature?
50 something.
You guys are so exaggerated.
I'm cold.
You want mashed sweet potatoes? What do you think, Dylan? You want mashed sweet potatoes? Yeah? Looks good? I think he thinks so.
I think he almost nodded.
Yeah.
Another day in the life. What are you chefing up there?
Cilantro lime chicken with cilantro lime rice. We're really living up the cilantro tonight.
A whole lot of cilantro.
And broccoli.
Ain't that right? Our little monkey. Game room is slowly coming together. Got one more arcade game. And then we gotta finish those lights. Then we're gonna put a bench.
However, some of the major projects that we needed to complete, whether that was couches arriving or a shower installation, those are things that had remained to be seen, and our additional help, aka my parents, decided to leave town. No, I'm just kidding. They had to return home.
Yeah, so now we're left with just our 4 hands and 4 legs.
Well, the baby too, but you know.
Yeah.
He's not very good at installing furniture.
I wonder if he counts as a subtraction. Anyways.
I think so, because he requires all of my hands.
What is going on up here?
It's the only thing I can do work. I'm teaching him the ways of our culture.
Had to do a ballast bypass on all of these overhead lights, and I had to switch up some of the wiring for the new LED dimmable lights so that guests can dim it. So now, turn it on, and they're dimmable. Now we can chill. Now we don't want to chill, now we want to chill. Sabrina's parents are gone. It's just us two now. We still have several things left to do. And while we feel like we've gotten a lot done to this, at this point,
Yeah.
we know that there's still a lot more on the table. One of which is the shower that Sabrina mentioned. If you remember, we got quoted for an unbelievably amazing price for $18,000.
Unbelievable.
It was fantastic, of which we said no to. And Instead, we decided to go with a general contractor, somewhat of a handyman that we were able to come in contact with. And he's gonna go ahead and do our shower for, drumroll please. How much was it?
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Roughly $8,000. So we knocked off $10K from this project, which is a huge relief. We legitimately thought we were gonna have to sell both of our kidneys.
Yeah.
And now we don't.
Yeah, which is a great place to find ourselves in. So we're over budget, but not extremely over budget. We just have to add the finishing touches to the home, and it's really all the little things that drive us crazy, isn't it?
It is, which we'll get into.
Where are we?
TJ Maxx, Home Goods,
What do we got?
everything.
3 carts. And I don't even know that we have everything. But we're doing it.
Time and money. We just got a bunch of stuff. And we are very exhausted. That shopping spree was a rough one. I had to take a brief intermission to feed a certain hungry someone.
Yeah, during the time where I had to put all this in the carts. And
3 carts, baby.
3 carts.
Here we are. They're here. Are they here? They're here. They're here. They're here.
Surprise! Surprise!
What are you doing here? What the heck? Oh my gosh. I was not at what? What are you doing? We showed up, I don't know.
My heart's racing. I feel like I'm like seeing something that's not when. How?
you can't do this. I guess I can.
You can't what?
It's not, yeah.
Where are we?
I don't know.
You know,
Me either. Rowan's having the time of his life.
he is.
Uh-oh, is that you? The plot thickens.
Come on.
You look good though.
Thanks.
So you have to get
I also want a side of bacon. Okay, thanks. Just imagine you're going looking like this. Look at that. Not me, look at that.
beautiful. Just follow the food. I'm watching football, so I'm using, using Sabrina's phone. Oh, check it out.
This way or that way? I feel like the Harry Potter movie.
Crazy feeling. We've been here now for almost 2 months, so every little nook and cranny of this place just really feels like home. So it's gonna be bittersweet to go. I was explaining to my family that it feels like I have bubble guts, like if I'm going on my first date with somebody. We put a lot of hard work into this property, and so it going live is a very big deal to us. So we're really excited and hope that guests can see just how special we wanted to make this property. I also wanted to do a little shout out to my husband, who has done an amazing job of really taking on all these projects. He went to YouTube University and learned how to do things that he really had never done before.
So I've got the new ventilator, light and ventilator for the bathroom. I stripped and cut some of these wires to connect them to the new one from this old dirt bag. And then I'm just going to have to connect this ground wire and get it installed. This right here controls the light in the back that you'll see right there that I replaced. And when you flip this switch, bum, ba-da-da.
Very proud wife here. We can look at this home and just see our fingerprints all over everything. My dad installed all the furniture for the most part. I want to say 99.99% of the furniture is all assembled by him and his hands. So shout out to the man in my life. But anyways, yeah, so we're about to head to the airport and go home. And I don't want to go. I just want to stay here because it's just so cute and beautiful.
So as you can see, there was a lot that we had to get done. We added a lot to our plate that we didn't anticipate, but considering we were staying there for much longer than anticipated, given the shower install that we had to do, which took longer than what we wanted, we ended up finding new things to do, and I learned a whole lot. I learned how to change out a ballast in an overhead light.
Yeah.
If you don't know what that is, that's perfectly fine, because neither did I. But if you start a short-term rental, maybe you'll figure it out.
Yeah.
I did other things. I changed an AC ventilator in a bathroom, which, you know, I thought it'd be as simple as a light bulb, but boy, was I wrong.
Yeah, it's been a fun challenge. You know, I think for me, the administrative tasks were certainly daunting, but also balancing that with our beautiful little baby boy, being in the fold, the great surprise of having my parents come back. So that was what, 4 additional hands and 4 additional feet?
I'll tell you what, that was probably the best blessing of it all, was we had those 4 additional hands and 4 additional feet show up and help us finish the job. Honestly, by the time we left, it was kind of like, hey, you know, I don't know if we would have been able to do this without them.
Yeah.
And so it was just a great blessing to have them, you know, to close out the entire project, get everything done, and ship our merry butts back to Miami.
We literally worked up to the very last second, which is exactly what we said we weren't gonna do, but we of course kept inventing things for us to be able to do around the home. And when we left, I think it was one of the most bittersweet feelings. It kind of felt like home. I don't know, our livelihood was there.
It was. We were there for 2 months.
Yeah, I mean, living in that home, watching TV every night in that comfy bed. I mean, it really started to feel like home. And so
do you want to go back?
Yes. No, but seriously, we loved it, and it was amazing. We concluded the whole trip with a prayer, and we blessed the home. We walked through the space, and were able to just really leave good presence there.
So stick with us. There's a lot that we're learning through this process, and we're so excited to continue to be taking you through that process. There's so much more left for us to really complete Halyard Haven, is what we like to call it.
Yeah.
And we're looking forward to sharing that with you and all the logistical pieces that is required to truly set up a short-term rental.
So make sure you like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, and just continue to join us. This is a fun process for us, and we're excited to continue to take everyone along with us.
Yeah, and if you do have any questions of any sort as we kind of go through this, if you'd like to see something that maybe we didn't share, you know,
Yeah.
we're more than happy to do that. Just ask away, and if we don't have the answer, I can guarantee you that we will find the answer.
Eventually, yeah.
Eventually.
But that's it for now.
See you next time.